Fish tanks, also known as aquariums, are captivating aquatic ecosystems designed to house and showcase a dazzling array of underwater life. These glass or acrylic enclosures offer a window into the mesmerizing world of fish, plants, and other aquatic creatures. Ranging in size from small desktop tanks to massive, room-filling installations, fish tanks come in various shapes and designs to cater to the preferences and space constraints of hobbyists. A well-maintained fish tank is a carefully balanced microcosm, where water quality, temperature, and lighting create a harmonious environment for fish to thrive. The vibrant underwater landscapes within these tanks often feature live plants, colorful corals, and intricate decorations, adding aesthetic beauty and complexity to the aquatic ecosystem. Fish tanks offer a unique blend of relaxation, education, and artistic expression. They provide a soothing ambience, reducing stress, and enhancing well-being. Moreover, they serve as educational tools for learning about aquatic life, ecosystems, and the importance of environmental conservation. Whether for novice enthusiasts or seasoned aquarists, fish tanks offer an opportunity to immerse oneself in the wonders of the underwater world, making them a popular and cherished addition to homes, offices, and public spaces worldwide. Hi! Discover captivating insights into fish tanks, uncover compelling findings, and access comprehensive evaluations of the finest choices. Stay updated with in-depth reviews of premium options in the market. AQQA, holding a strong fifth position in our evaluations, has cemented its reputation in the fish tank domain. Their new aquarium starter kit combines a water pump, filtration, LED lighting, air purification, and even aromatherapy features in a single package. With a 1.8-gallon capacity, it's ideal for small fish and aquatic plants. Its compact and elegant design allows it to seamlessly fit into various settings such as living rooms, kitchens, bedrooms, or offices. The built-in energy-efficient LED lightboard offers 9 different color options, including white, blue and white, red, blue, green, and various marquee effects. This stable lighting not only enhances the aesthetics of the tank, but also promotes fish well-being. The 150L/H water pump ensures healthy water circulation and reduces the need for frequent water changes, thanks to the built-in filter cotton. Moreover, the tank's air outlet keeps the interior dry and features an air purification system, while an added aromatherapy function provides a soothing ambience. The tank's transparent acrylic material offers excellent clarity, akin to glass, while its black ABS shell enhances durability and resistance to damage. AQQA's innovative approach to fish tanks promises an immersive and multifunctional aquatic experience. Ranked at an impressive 4th position in our assessments, the ERAARK soil moisture meterage tank emerges as a remarkable and influential innovation in the field. This smart aquarium package includes an aquarium, LED light, aquarium filter, water pump, and an instruction manual, but it's important to note that fish, decorations, and stones are not included. One of its standout features is the ability to control the light's color through a dedicated mobile app, offering a spectrum of options from red to purple. This not only aids in fish growth, but also adds vibrant colors to the underwater environment, all while maintaining soft, eye-friendly illumination that prevents discomfort. The aquarium filter employs a combination of physical and biological filtration, effectively removing impurities and fish waste to enhance water quality, creating a clean and healthy aquatic habitat. Additionally, the filter produces abundant bubbles and water flow, ensuring ample oxygen for the fish. This multifunctional fish tank serves as a decorative element suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, and offices. Its beautiful packaging makes it an excellent gift choice for birthdays and Christmas. It accommodates small fish varieties like betta fish, angelfish, gouramis, goldfish, tropical shrimp, and lobsters. ERAARK's Smart Aquarium offers a captivating and technologically advanced way to enjoy the beauty of aquatic life at home. Don't forget to subscribe or give a like. Aqueon has secured a commendable third place in our rankings, solidifying its position as a trailblazer in the realm of fish tanks. The Aqueon LED MiniBow kits, featuring smart clean technology, cater to both novice and seasoned fish enthusiasts. These desktop aquariums are a splendid addition to bedrooms, living rooms, home offices, and more. Each kit comprises a transparent acrylic vessel, a low-profile LED hood, an elevated base, a filter cartridge, water care and food samples, and an illustrated setup guide for a hassle-free start. What truly sets it apart is the specially designed power filter with smart clean technology, enabling effortless water changes in less than 2 minutes with just 3 simple steps each week. This innovation ensures a consistently clean and healthy aquatic environment. The Aqueon LED MiniBow kit is an ideal habitat for betta fish and small tropical species. The filter utilizes Aqueon's small replacement cartridges, which should be replaced every 4 weeks for peak performance. These kits are available in various tank sizes and colors, offering versatility and style to aquarists. Aqueon's commitment to innovation and user-friendly design shines through in this comprehensive aquarium kit, making it an excellent choice for fish enthusiasts of all levels. Coralife has secured an impressive second place ranking with their groundbreaking fish tank, shattering conventional norms and delivering innovation beyond expectations. The Coralife BioCube is a marvel of modern aquarium design, characterized by its sleek, rounded-edge aesthetics, and it caters to a wide range of aquatic needs. The slim, low-profile hood of the BioCube houses dynamic LED lighting capable of sustaining and promoting the growth of healthy, vibrant corals and live plants. It features an integrated 24-hour timer, granting users precise control over 3 independent light channels: bright white, sparkling blue, and color-enhancing LEDs. This innovation also includes a 30-minute sunrise/sunset and a 60-minute moonrise/moonset function, recreating a natural day-night cycle within your aquatic environment. The Coralife LED BioCubes are an ideal choice for beginners, thanks to their compact and customizable filtration chamber conveniently built into the back of the aquarium, ensuring straightforward setup and maintenance. Additional features include a quiet submersible pump, dual intakes, and an adjustable return nozzle. Moreover, the BioCube is compatible with all existing BioCube accessories, providing flexibility for customization. Please note that fish, corals, substrate, and decorations are sold separately. Coralife's BioCube is a testament to their commitment to innovative design and user-friendly functionality, making it an exceptional choice for aquarists seeking a cutting-edge and customizable aquarium experience. Don't forget to subscribe or give a like. Aqueon stands as a shining example of unwavering commitment to excellence, evident in their remarkable fish tank solutions that epitomize their dedication to innovation. These aquatic enthusiasts have crafted a wide range of aquarium solutions to create and maintain healthy aquatic environments. Their guiding principle has always been doing what is best for the health and well-being of fish and aquatic life. Aqueon's meticulous attention to detail ensures that maintaining an aquarium is hassle-free, contributing to the happiness and well-being of aquatic life. They aim to make the journey from beginner to expert aquarist seamless and enjoyable. Their LED boxed fish tank kits offer complete aquatic habitats with vibrant LED lighting, creating a captivating aquarium experience. The low-profile hood, equipped with energy-saving cool white LEDs, features a feeding door and breakout sections for accessories. These kits include high-quality components such as a heater, quiet flow LED Pro power filter, fish food, water conditioner, fish net, and a stick-on thermometer. A comprehensive guide is also provided to assist with proper aquarium setup. A standout feature is the Aqueon Quiet Flow LED Pro filter, with a patent-pending LED indicator that signals when it's time to change the cartridge, eliminating guesswork. The filter's 5-stage filtration and ammonia specialty filter pad contribute to maintaining clean water and healthy fish. Aqueon's dedication to aquarium enthusiasts and the well-being of aquatic life is evident in every aspect of their products, making them a trusted choice for aquarists seeking excellence in aquarium solutions. Your thoughts on fish tanks are highly appreciated. Feel free to share your opinions in the comments. They greatly contribute to our efforts and are crucial for our mission. Your active participation is immensely valued, and we thank you for your substantial contributions.